250 years. To every American who served, and to everyone who came before us to build this great nation, thank you. We stand on your shoulders. To honor 250 years, I'm tearing down things that have been around that long and still work today. Take this printing press. Start with the frame. Solid oak timbers, built like a barn doorway. It had to survive thousands of heavy pulls, day after day. Inside this case, thousands of tiny metal letters. Every page was built backwards, one letter at a time, entirely by hand. A printer slid each letter into rows, then locked the whole page into an iron frame. Solid metal, ready to print. Next, 2 leather ink balls pound sticky black ink across the type. Every letter coated evenly, or the whole page smears. Lay the paper, haul the bar. This giant wooden screw drives the platen down, pressing every letter into the page at once. Peel it back, a printed page. Presses just like this printed the Declaration of Independence, and Ben Franklin, a printer first. Still here after 250 years. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell me what I should tear down next. Happy 250th, America.